In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wheelchair assistance in Thai Airways. If you need mobility support for an upcoming trip, Thai Airways provides a dedicated wheelchair request option on its website, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path so you can submit the request with confidence. To begin, open the Thai Airways wheelchair service request page on the official website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct airline site and that the page is fully visible before moving on. Next, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Request for Wheelchair Service. This is the section you'll use to start the request. Click on it to continue. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling slowly, since these support links are often placed a little farther down the page. After that, look for the area called Accessibility and Medical Support. This section groups together services for passengers who may need additional help before or during travel. Finding the right category is important here because it ensures your request goes through the proper channel. Once you're in that section, click on Request for Wheelchair. This will open the form where you can provide your travel details and connect the service request to your booking. Now you'll need to fill out the passenger details, enter the required information carefully, and make sure it matches your booking exactly. This part is important because even small differences can sometimes prevent the system from locating your reservation properly. One of the key fields on this form is the booking reference number. Enter your booking reference in the appropriate box. This number is used to identify your reservation, so double check it before moving on. Next, add the passenger's last name. Again, it should match the booking exactly as it appears on the ticket or confirmation. Paying attention to spelling here can help you avoid verification issues. Finally, click on Verify. This step confirms the booking information and allows the system to process the wheelchair request associated with that reservation. And that's it. Those are the steps to add wheelchair assistance through Thai Airways online. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to submit the request as early as possible so the airline has enough time to prepare the service before your departure. After submitting, you may also want to keep an eye out for any confirmation message or follow-up communication from the airline. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make your travel planning a little easier.